Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite braider V. If you are new here, thanks for tuning in. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So I get so many questions on how do I do my own hair. Well, here's a detailed video on my feed and scalp braids. Keep watching. So I got my baby sister with me helping me to part my hair because I don't want it to look too tacky, and sometimes I can't really part my own hair that good. So I got her with me, and we will be making more videos as well, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, so y'all know how I talk about my thick 4C hair. So what I do first is I section it off in twos, and I take my blow dryer with the comb on it and I blow it out, because if I don't, I will have the worst time trying to braid this hair, and it's already bad enough dealing with this 4C hair. So blowout is the best. Okay, y'all, so my daughter wants to learn how to do hair so bad. So I'm going to take a day out on my busy schedule, and I'm going to teach her all the basics. Man, can you please not burn my scalp with that hot blow dryer? Little girl. I had to take over because, Alright, so y'all know how much we love our daddy. And I just had to put him in the video. It would be me if I ain't put my daddy and my sister in my videos. And I got him all in my scalp because y'all saw in the last video, my dandruff is a mess. So daddy came through. Pop dope. We are some daddy girls. And my daddy gonna come through every time. So he helped me part off the back to kind of get started. And here I am about to do my first braid. So what I do is, on this bottom row right here, I'm gonna put like 4 braids. If it was on anybody else's head, I would make it really, really, really full because I like that bottom to look real full. So I parted off in 4 sections using my shining gem. And I apply it all around. Y'all, it don't look as good as it would look if I was doing somebody else's hair because I'm doing my own hair. But I do it good enough, okay? Time for a little shape up back there. You gotta get Dad back there, get them little thighs off that neck right there. Okay, so right here you see me using my Expressions pre-stretched braid hair in colors 27 and 30. They came already mixed, and y'all, if you don't know, now you know. Blondes are my favorite. I love blondes. They say blondes have more fun, so get into it. And to answer you all's question, yes, my arms get tired, my hands get tired. So I have to flip my hands in a position to where I'm comfortable, and it helps make it easy to braid. So yeah, you want to be really, really, really comfortable. If not, I will get so frustrated and I'll give up because it's very challenging. So yeah. Okay, so I had to speed the video up because I do not like long videos. I do not like boring videos, okay? When I'm watching YouTube videos, I don't want to sit there a whole 30 minutes, depending on what I'm watching. But I'm doing the second braid using the same method. I took a strand of hair, I split it in twos, which made 3 strands, and it helps make braiding easier. So I'll do another video showing you all how to do that, because I know some of y'all like, what is she talking about? All right, take your precision comb, and I told y'all all of my edges were just gone from the frontals. So it's horrible, but I made the best of it. Alright, so I'm doing my very first braid. What I do is I take my hair, split it in 3 small strands, and I begin to braid. So you can see me here grabbing pieces of the extensions, very small pieces, adding them in, and braid. So that's what you're doing. You add, braid. Okay, now y'all see why I need help parting my hair, because I'm really not that good with parting my own hair. So yes, ma'am, KB's in the building. Y'all, this is my little sister. She's expecting. Baby Cash is on the way. We have a girl, and I'm so ready to spoil her. And y'all, I cannot wait. Me and my sister like to prank my daddy so much. So we gonna start filming videos, doing pranks on my daddy, doing videos with the kids, just everything. Yeah, we a whole vibe. And if you know us, then you know how we turn up. So y'all gotta tune in. Y'all gotta subscribe because it's about to get real fun. Real fun. Alright, here I am braiding and adding in extensions. So it's really not that bad. Like, I really enjoy braiding my own hair because so many people always ask, like, how you do your own hair? Like, it's very challenging, but I like it. I like to show y'all some of my talents. I'm dope as fuck, bro. And that's another way I promote my business, by doing my own hair. So I try different styles to show you all. It's about to be lit, y'all. Alright, y'all. I got my set mousse. It helps set the hair, like all the flyaways that's still sticking up that you didn't really clip, that you skipped all over. That mousse gonna take care of that. It's a must-have. And I use it on all of my clients. So if you are a braider, please make sure you have your mousse. Alright, so I don't know if y'all remember me telling y'all that I'm trash on the baby hairs. I'm trash. So I just take some edge control. I take my precision comb and I just do a little swoop and I blend it in with the braid. I don't have time to be trying to do all of the curly swirls and all the extra stuff because I don't know how to do all that. So I just stick to the basics. And it actually turned out pretty cute. At this point, I'm just ready to be done. This is like, once I get to the edge, it's like I'm super excited. I'm ready to take pictures. And let's just get it over with already. Alright, another thing that helped me get my baby hairs just how I want them. Once I take that comb and I comb those baby hairs in the direction that I want them to go, I use my finger as a guide and to smooth out my baby hairs. Alright, so y'all see I'm feeling myself. I'm finally done. Too happy, ready to take them pictures. Alright, so what I did was I took some water and I boiled it on the stove. And I got my picture. I always use this picture because I feel like it's tall enough. And it helps. I dip everything, like from the end of the braid all the way up. I want to get it all because I don't like stiff braids. I want my braids to move when I walk. Listen, and listen to me well. If you are not used to dipping your own hair, if you are new to this, either let somebody else do it, or I don't know what to tell you. Be extra careful with this water because it's hot. It's hot, and if you don't know what you're doing, you can easily burn yourself. Keep watching, and y'all gonna see me burn myself a little in this video. So look, if somebody can help you, let somebody help you, because this is very dangerous. Dealing with this hot water, it's very dangerous. Watch how ugly I'm about to look in the face. I don't know if I touched that hot water or if it got on me. I don't know, but it was hot. Looking real ugly. Alright, y'all, here is the finished look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Mwah.